Good morning dear students, welcome back again to your biology video session. In this video session, we are going to talk about two scientific experiments. There are total 3 scientific experiments in your second chapter, Transpiration in Plants. Okay, so first two scientific experiments we are going to learn now. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so students, look at the figure 2.4. It is our first experiment. The aim of this experiment is to demonstrate transpiration in plants. What do you need for this experiment? You need a healthy plant with fresh and broad leaves. You also need polythene bags and thread. What to do? At first, you have to select a healthy plant with fresh and broad leaves. After that, you have to tie a polythene bag on one of its branches. It is shown in this picture. So, like this, you have to tie a polythene bag on one of plant's branches. Leave this setup undisturbed under the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. What do you observe? You will observe that water droplets appear on the inner surface of polythene bag. Observe this picture. You can see here that water droplets appear on the inner surface of polythene bag. From this observation, we can conclude that the plant releases water vapors during transpiration. These condense on the inner surface of bag and appear as water droplets. This is the figure for the second experiment, figure 2.5, and the aim of this experiment is to demonstrate occurrence of transpiration in plants. For this experiment, what do you need? You need a healthy plant with fresh and broad leaves, a bell jar, cobalt chloride paper and polythene sheet. Now, what is cobalt chloride paper? Cobalt chloride paper is an indicator of moisture. It is normally blue in color and turns pink in the presence of moisture. What to do? At first, you have to take a small potted and leafy plant. After that, you have to water the plant well and cover it with a polythene sheet to prevent evaporation from the soil of the pot. Now cover the pot with a glass or plastic bell jar. Place a small strip of cobalt chloride paper on the inner side of the jar. Now leave this setup undisturbed under sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. What do you observe? You will observe that water droplets appear on the inner side of the bell jar. The cobalt chloride paper turns pink from blue. What do you conclude? From this observation, here we can conclude that the plant releases water vapors during transpiration. These condense on the inner surface of appear as water droplets and change the color of paper. Okay, so here we end today's biology video session. I hope these two experiments are clear. If you have any questions regarding this video, you have to ask me during your online class. Okay, thank you students, take care and stay safe.